there we go. Bye. Come in. Come up here. Play. Alrighty. Good morning.
It's Christmas.
KMC whatever Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas day 25. It is Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. Right?
Yeah. Their hair.
Oh, are you good? Right now we are gonna make some hot cocoa and then open presents to each other. So yesterday you probably saw that we did Chris's family.
Yep.
Yesterday, but we decided this year we're gonna open our own presents together and just us. So that's what we're gonna do. And then later we're going to go to a special guest. So you'll see that a little later. He is separating our gifts. I think we both have 3 gifts. Now, we didn't plan that, but it just happened to be that way. Ooh. Yeah. You have to put that in our little tree over there. Want me to open this one?
Yeah, open the big present first.
The big present first. Alrighty. I can't believe you actually put my name instead of wifey. Did you even realize I put wifey?
I know.
Ooh.
What is it?
A blanket. It's a deer looking blanket. Isn't it soft?
Yeah.
What? Oh. What else is in here? Oh. You got some tank tops.
3 different colors.
I got a green. And then there's like a steel blue gray color. And then a tan white cream color.
Yeah.
Actually, crazy enough, I woke up at like 7 o'clock this morning, went to the bathroom, came out here, stuck it in your stocking, and then you got up like 10 minutes after. Okay guys, balloons update. They're still up. That's what they're looking like. Still. Barely have anything left, but they're still up. So I just spent the morning editing the vlog from yesterday and getting that uploaded to YouTube. So I just got that one uploaded. I gathered all of our stuff that we're taking with us. Right now we are letting out the dogs one more time before they get locked up. And then we're gonna get ready to get going. So come with us.
We are on the road heading to our secret guest. And look who's driving.
Shocking.
What a shocker. And you know, we'll update you later. Anything to say?
Nope.
You sure?
We'll see you when we get there. Bye guys.
Bye.
Anyways, we just got here. We are getting ready to make lasagna and some garlic bread, and we have some cookies, and we're just gonna make some food. But I thought I'd show you our special guest for today. Hi guys! Look who it is!
I'm back, better than ever.
None other than the one we're always missing.
Yes.
So we thought, since it's the last day of Vlogmas for us, that we're gonna spend it with none other than my sister, because why not? We're family, right?
Yep.
So
Gotta see each other some point. So
true. True.
What better time than Christmas? But
True. So what are we making?
we're making lasagna and garlic bread, and we have cookies. Maybe salad. I don't know.
Yeah, we're just gonna take the day.
Yeah.
By whatever we plan to do.
Have fun.
We're just gonna have a fun day. I just realized we weren't recording.
What? How long were we not recording? Well, now you have to go back and
Okay.
buy milk because he's the one that drinks it. So.
Some water boiling, some meat. We got some noodles, got some pasta sauce. She's making ranch, so there's a weird combination.
And we're making lasagna.
Making the lasagna.
So you put 5 noodles on each layer, and there's 3 layers.
Huh.
And they don't have to be like technically fully cooked because you put it in the oven, so they'll cook more in the oven, but like generally cooked.
Mostly cooked.
Mostly cooked.
Mostly cooked.
Like this one, the corner's not cooked, but it's like so. So you put 4 and then 1 on the side. And you have to break one.
What?
You gotta break one. To like this. To like the donuts.
Yeah, it was kind of funny. You have a whole bunch of guys that are pigs in a fancy hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, that hotel was way too fancy.
That was very fancy. I don't think I've ever been to something that fancy.
No, me either. Like the fanciest I've been to is like Holiday Inn.
And that's fancy. Tell me. When you make the whole thing, you just make the whole entire box of lasagna noodles because you're bound to have one to break. So
True.
gotta have it. And then you split your meat into 3 pieces.
It comes out there like this.
Yeah.
Into 3 sections for your 3 layers. And you usually leave the biggest section for last, so you have more to cover.
One guy
But and you mix your tomato sauce in it.
Yep, tomato sauce is already in it.
You just
Spread it on.
yeah. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lasagna is like the easiest thing to make.
Yeah, we make a little bit of a different version, but it's pretty good.
So then after you get it, you just kind of spread it around so it covers, you know, enough of it. You have 3 layers. It really doesn't matter. It's like the first layer. You're not even.
It doesn't matter because when you cut it, it's just gonna break apart.
Well, it tastes all like you're gonna have meat in every bite, no matter.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter. But I like try to cover the noodles on the sides so they don't burn. So then after you get that, put that back. Now you're on to the cheeses, which I put these ones first, but it doesn't matter. You're supposed to do like 2 cups or like 1 cup of each every single layer, but I literally just do a handful until it looks like it's
Yeah,
good.
I don't measure
I buy
anything.
2 bags of shredded cheese of each kind, mild cheddar and then mozzarella, and I just buy 2 bags and then I just go from there.
Yep.
But I just kind of make sure it's spread. It's like, yeah, there's like empty spots, but you have this cheese for that. Wow. And like my pan's not very deep. Usually you want like a deeper one.
Yeah.
Because I have to fit 3 layers in it, so like I'm gonna have to like squish it down every single layer.
Yup.
But then you put cottage cheese on it. And I do not use dry cottage cheese. Do not use dry cottage cheese. And then we're on the noodles again. Woohoo!
And then we repeat the process.
Since I put that awkward one over here, you start with it over here. It's tied.
Oh yeah, the same piece. Yep.
See if I can grab it. Alright.
We got it in there.
$3.75.
$3.75 for
An hour.
An hour. And then we have these still to make.
Yep. Which only take like 7 minutes.
Which won't take that long.
We'll wait.
Yep. So now we're just gonna wait. Hang out.
Yeah.
Just hang out. Talk like we always do.
Pretty much. We've been talking this whole time.
Yep, pretty
That's
much.
why we kind of forgot.
A little bit.
A little bit.
It isn't a tutorial on how to make lasagna.
Which, and like, after you know what the
I
first
mean,
layer is, you really don't.
Yeah,
It's
like,
like common sense.
I showed you the first layer. You guys just repeat the process.
Or like 2 more
That's
times.
it.
And that's it. And then you bake it $3.75 for an hour, uncovered for the last 10 minutes.
But you
Keep
cover it for
covered.
the other.
Yeah, cover it for 50 minutes, uncover for 10 minutes to melt the cheese on top.
Yep. Yep.
Pretty much.
So, yeah. That's
Which
all.
everything is cooked, so technically you're just like warming
Warming
at
it
this
and
point.
melting the cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah. But not a big deal. There it is, guys. This camera would focus. There's some lasagna. We have all the salads and stuff out. There's Toby, guys. It's probably been a while.
Hey, sit.
There's a Toby boy.
Well, then I was like,
Did go, Toby.
good, why you got all this oscillates here?
Yup. Okay. This is what we're trying. So.
Apparently I'm trying it.
Wait. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yes, because me and Chris already tried it like a couple days ago.
I feel like it's gonna be nasty.
It's gingerbread flavor.
But it's probably gonna be nasty because I don't like gingerbread. It tastes like a gingerbread, but it's gross. If that makes you feel any better.
So it's a no-go? Hands down, no. Yep.
Down.
Thumbs down.
I don't like it.
It's too strong. That was my problem.
I don't
It was
like
just like overpowering. We
I don't
tried.
like ginger, so I don't know.
Well, we tried the gingerbread Oreo flavor, and that one isn't that bad. But that Kit Kat is too strong.
I don't like it.
Nope. Oh, and here's the food we ate. As you can tell, we already ate.
Yeah, we forgot again. I was about to put it away, and I was like, I don't even think we even like showed them. You can hear that they're playing video games
They're playing video games right now.
together. They haven't played together in a long time.
Yeah, so they're playing video games. We just shot a what's it called? A house tour video.
You'll see.
Let's get one. We will.
Decorate.
So we're gonna decorate some ugly sweaters.
Yes.
It's
gonna be the ugliest of ugly.
Ugliest of ugly. I mean, I'm pretty ugly.
I'm ugly.
It's okay.
We'll be ugly together.
We will?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit.
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna probably hear the guys in the background. They're playing a video game.
Yes. But we're gonna decorate.
We're gonna decorate these ugly sweaters. Because why not? It's Christmas. Let's see what's in this thing.
You're resting on my candle. But the candle's not on.
Our makeshift tripod.
Yeah, because I couldn't find one, so.
Seriously, what is this?
It's just
Okay.
to be off.
Oh,
Off.
may not need a scissors.
Oh, no, we don't. It should just come off or like twist off.
Oh,
I think. Anyways, grab a sweater.
So we have 4 different colors of frosting. We have white, black, red, and green.
And then a bunch of sprinkles like there's gingerbread men,
Candy
Christmas
canes,
trees, candy canes, snowflakes.
That's what it looks like.
That's all the things. You know.
Package.
Want to decorate a sweater?
No.
We have a decorated
Right there.
cookie sweater. You can make it as ugly as possible.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Do you want to open one of these and put it in here?
Yeah.
Just one of them?
Yeah, just put one. Because whatever's left, we'll probably just do it later or something. Alright.
Okay. So then it's easier to find them.
True.
Okay.
I don't know what I want to do with mine.
I don't either. I have no clue.
No clues at all. This is
So
where
we're
we
just gonna start. I think I want to do green.
do white.
I think these are twist offs. Yep, they're twist. Oh, maybe they're not. I don't even know if the whole.
No, my hole did not get open.
Mine didn't either. Preston!
Oh, honey!
Can you get some scissors?
We're doing great, guys.
Yeah, I'll do that. Something.
We're on the struggle bus. There. Ta-da! I think the frosting dries pretty good. Yeah. We got 2 more in this package.
Yeah.
I'll have the broken one. Mine has a broken piece. Look at them!
They're ugly!
I think mine are pretty.
Yours are good, mine are sucky. Okay, that's Kenna's. Preston's. That's mine. Those are Chris's.
Comment which one's the ugliest.
What?
I said comment which one's the ugliest.
Yeah. I would say a lot of them are ugly.
I would say I would never wear any of them.
I would never wear any of them. My hair looks purple.
It does. It kind of is like an ashy blue.
That's weird.
That's so weird.
That's it.
Opening it.
Yep.
This is for you. Oh yeah. He has something similar to this. It's like his favorite food.
Moose would like it because it helps you hold it
Yeah,
better.
see, he has one that's like a holding. You ready? Sit down. Sit down.
go take some family Christmas photos for Kenna. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
I know, what'd you get? Come here, come here, come here.
We're all
What'd you get? I know, what'd you get? Oh,
so pretty.
what'd you get? Oh my gosh. Oh, you got a new toy? You got a new toy? Did you? Did you get a new toy? This is the first time we've ever had a family photo, so we'll see how this goes. He does ever get to go over here, so he's gonna be very sneaky. I'm not looking, dog. You gotta
Make him. Dobby! Hi, boy! You're so pretty. Okay.
Okay, stay down.
I'm so excited to eat it.
smell.
Round
This is
two.
what I mean. He doesn't listen when you get him to something.
Come here.
Toby.
Toby.
Of course.
Heel.
Dogs always want cat
He's
shit.
not allowed over here for a reason. Why over on your side? He's supposed to be in the middle of it.
I can't even get on the other side of it.
I don't know what to do. What do I do with this?
Look at the camera and smile.
Toby.
Toby. Hi. Hi. No, stay. Okay.
Let's go play.
Oh my!
No. Come here.
Wow, it's a little Toby.
He grew fast. That's the point. Alrighty, guys. So we did a video. What, 6 years ago?
Yeah, we found out 6 years ago. 2015.
Yeah, where we tried to sharpen a candy cane the fastest. Except for we timed ourselves at 5 minutes. But I think this time we should try to like see who's fast.
Well, it has to be a timed thing.
Okay, so how long should we do?
Because
we did
then
5
you can see
minutes
who
last time.
sharpens it the fastest in that amount of time.
Okay. So should we just do 5 minutes again?
Probably.
Timer. 1 hour.
Definitely not that.
Are you sure you don't want
I
to
think
do
my
this
candy
for
cane
an
will
hour?
be gone by then.
Okay. Alrighty. So that's what we're gonna do. See who won. Go.
How are we gonna freak? They all look so similar. How are we gonna?
Mine is fatter than both of yours.
How do you know that?
The tip. Mine's fatter.
So you're out.
I'm out.
Well, how about us?
Okay, Preston, judge.
Yeah, you're gonna have to judge because these are too similar. No. I went, haha! No.
Fair advantage. Honestly,
They literally look like the exact same if you put them like up. Yours is thicker down here, but like the tip.
but if we're talking about tip-wise, I feel like Chris got it. Now, okay, this is mine. It's fat,
Here's a toy under the couch.
rounded, not pointy at all. I failed. I'm out. This is Chris's. If it would stop focusing on that. So he is more pointed at the top. Well, before it went blurry.
But then I also have been licking on mine now, so it's not exactly how it was.
Stop. Okay, so this is Kenna's. It's a little pointed, but it wasn't before.
Yeah, I've been licking on it.
Put both side by side. Okay, focus on both of them. Okay.
Off.
Chris's is still pointier.
Toby, off.
So I think Chris won.
Wow, he defeated me.
I just ran into 3 people.
What are we doing?
We're just chilling.
We're just chilling, watching the guys play video games. Get last minute Toby looks.
No. Get him to sit or something. He's not gonna mess with it.
Your dog's not scared of the vacuum?
He wants to play. He needs a toy, and that's what's annoying. That's why I tell him to hold him, because he thinks the toy will go after it.
My dog's scared of the vacuum.
Oh no! As soon as I bring the vacuum out, he's like, "Yes, it's a play toy!" And it's like, "Nope, I'm going to the other room where you can't get to me." Sorry.
Well, all of my dogs hate the vacuum, so they don't think
The
anything.
only thing he hates is sometimes if the sound bar on the TV's on, he hates it. And
We just got a sound bar.
4th of July he hates, and that's about all he hates.
We just got
No.
one.
Look at I get on the guy.
He's like, needs lovin's. I have doggies.
He's like, "What's that thing hanging out of your mouth?" Stay in here.
Packing up.
Toby, come here. Come here.
Say.
Come here.
Nah,
Come here.
it's not who you think it is.
He just
Aw.
he just bolts out the doors. He doesn't know
Okay,
that
fine.
he can't bolt out the doors.
Just leave. That's fine.
Well, he can come back if you want him.
No.
It's
fine.
You just have to say the magic word.
It's fine. We're
She goes,
getting
"It's
ready.
fine, but it's really not."
We're getting ready to leave. Leave this lady.
Yep.
But we'll see you next weekend, right?
Oh yeah. That is next weekend.
Yeah, it's
Holy
next
crap.
Saturday. So we're leaving this girl here.
Yep. And we'll see me
Next weekend. And we'll probably vlog that day, I think. Anyways, so I'll see you when I see you.
Yeah.
She'll see you next week. Anyways, so bye.
Bye.
Love you.
We'll see you again.
So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye.
Hey guys. So it's a couple hours later.
Hi.
So we just got back from my sister's house. You probably last saw us there. And right now, oh, are you okay?
You okay, boo?
We already came home. I got changed, and we got little psycho dogs. They're all like playing and being clean and annoying. You know, I was pretty.
Hey, doggies. You guys see it?
Gentle. Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Gentle.
That was not gentle.
Not gentle. At all.
You gotta work with the sit and stay.
Okay. Gentle.
Panda.
Raider.
Later. Back off.
Okay, Moose. You are next.
Billy.
Sit. Thank you.
Okay, I think he's done.
Alright.
Hey, you might want to hurry.
Second. That was not nice.
No.
That was not nice.
Hurry.
I'm getting there. Gentle. That was not gentle.
No, it was not. So we might want to hurry and close this.
Alrighty, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you did today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you're notified when we post every single Friday. This is KMC, whatever. Merry Christmas. Happy Vlogmas Day 25. We will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.